Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are good at your home. I am your Chelna ma'am and I am here with this video for you for the study of chapter first sense organ. So let's start. In previous video we had learned new words and general introduction of sense organ. Next we will know important role of sense organs. Our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are called sense organs. We are able to understand things around us because of sense organ. Let us now understand the role played by each sense organ in our body. The first one is eyes. Our eyes help us to see colorful world around us, like to read a book, to looking at a thing, etc. Eyes need sufficient light to see things clearly. It is difficult for us to see all the things in dark. The eyeball-like structure present in the eye is called eyeball, and our eyelashes protect our eyes from the dust and other particles. Some people do not have good eyesight. They can't see very clearly, so they need spectacles or contact lenses to see things clearly. Next sense organ is ears. We hear different kind of sound in our daily life. Some of this sound are soft while others are too loud. We are able to hear this sound with the help of our ears. Our ears receive sound signals from the surrounding and send them to the brain. The brain recognizes these sound signals and we are able to hear and identify different sounds. Due to some health problems, some people may have hearing difficulty. They can't hear properly. So such people make use of hearing aids. Hearing aids are instruments that helps people in hearing. Next sense organ is nose. When we pass by a garden full of roses, we enjoy smell of flowers. And when we pass by a garbage dump, we cover our nose and avoid bad smells. This shows that we are able to identify different kind of smells. We are able to do this with the help of our nose. Our nose also helps in breathing. The nose has larger number of tiny smell cells. These smells detect the different smells present in the air around us, like good smells or a bad smell. The smell cells send signals to the brain and then the brain helps us to identify the smell. Is this good or is this bad? The nose also has nasal hair that prevent to entry of dust and germs into our body. Next sense organ is tongue. We all love to eat delicious food. Some of us like sweet while others love to eat spicy food. Even I like to eat sweet and spicy both. But how are we able to judge whether given food item is sweet, salty, sour or bitter? We are able to do this with the help of our tongue. The tongue has small taste buds on it that help us to detect the taste of food. Our tongue also helps us in speaking. Next sense organ is skin. How we are able to tell whether a given object is smooth or rough and soft or hard. We are able to do this with the help of our skin. Our skin is sensitive to touch. It is like blanket that covers our entire body. It acts very important sense organ. It can detect various sensations such as heat, cold, pain, soft, rough, etc. Sometimes when we touch hot glass of a milk or any hot object, we put it down immediately. It is because of skin is our sense organ. Okay children, so this is some part of your chapter first, sense organ. In next video we will learn more about the sense organ. Now all you have to do is write the answer of question number first and question number second from the checkpoint section in workbook. Children, please complete your homework, and I request to all parents, please buy books for the children so that they can do homework, and also take a picture of that homework and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any difficulties in understanding videos and in understanding homework, you can call us between 4 to 5 p.m. in the evening. Thank you.